What's up, everybody? Dennis Anthony, and thank you for opting in. Thank you for choosing to get this video that I have made specifically for you, showing you how you can get started, okay? So there's a few things that you can do to get started when you're trying to make money online, okay? There's a few major ways. Now, it's whether that be affiliate marketing, where that's selling someone else's product, whether that be creating your own product, whether that be drop shipping, whether that be a physical goods e-commerce business. There's a lot of ways. The one way that I'm going to tell you about in this video is actually going to be affiliate marketing. Why? Because for one thing, you don't need to have your own product, okay? You don't need to carry any overhead, you don't need to buy any inventory, and you don't have to fulfill anything. You don't have to worry about customer service. What you need to do as an affiliate marketer is find an industry, aka a niche, and find a product that you feel comfortable with, that you've done information on, that you know something about, that you can start selling, okay? So with affiliate marketing, you can sell someone else's product. So what you're basically going to do is you're going to take people, right, an audience, you're going to take people, your audience, you're going to give them information and show them things related to that. So for example, I'm going to use something very basic like the weight loss industry, okay? And I'll just say how to lose weight, you know, in 7 days for an upcoming wedding, okay? So what you would do as an affiliate marketer, you would find that product, you would get yourself an affiliate link, and then you would go out and start targeting people that are interested in losing weight in 7 days for an upcoming wedding, okay? Now you can do things like setting up an Instagram account. I'm huge on social media. If we can look at the way times are going and how times have changed just even over the last 10 years, everybody has a cell phone, okay? If you don't have a cell phone, I don't really know what planet you're living on, but everybody has a cell phone, okay? Everybody has access to Wi-Fi. Everybody has access to the internet. You would start to target people that are interested in losing weight in 7 days for an upcoming wedding, okay? I would set up a Instagram. I would set up a Facebook. I would set up a YouTube page if you feel comfortable creating videos. If you do not feel comfortable creating videos, that's perfectly fine. You can still set up a YouTube and you can get started that way. Okay, hold on. Wow, some people don't know how to drive. What you can also do once you become an affiliate marketer, you're going to get an affiliate link. That affiliate link is going to be unique to you, and you're going to be able to promote that. So as soon as you start to promote that affiliate link, as soon as you start to put your link out there on the internet, as soon as someone clicks your link, they go through the sales process, they purchase that product, you are going to earn a commission, okay? When you earn a commission from the vendor, from the company, for whatever product that you are promoting, whatever product that you are selling, they're going to send you a commission check. They're going to give you a bank deposit, however their payments are set up, okay? Now here's the thing. The more people that you send to your affiliate link, the more sales that you're going to make, okay? It's not rocket science. It's not, you know, this is not nothing new. It works the same in every industry. The more eyes, the more people that see your offer, the more people that are going to buy, okay? Now, the biggest thing is, where do I find people? Where do I find people to sell to? Okay, you can find people to sell to. Like I said, I would start off with creating an Instagram account. Create an Instagram account around the topic, around the group, around the audience that you want to go after. So if you're going after how to lose weight in 7 days for an upcoming wedding, I would target women, okay? I wouldn't target a whole lot of 18-year-olds because not too many 18-year-olds are getting married. Would I target 25 through 35, 25 through 40? I would start my testing there. When you start your testing there, then you can obviously dial it in and get more information and start to optimize based off of what you see and what type of traffic you see coming in off of that, okay? I would set up a Facebook page. I would start interacting in a bunch of Facebook groups. I would look for wedding pages. I would look for health and wellness pages. I would look for diet pages. I would start becoming a member to these pages, or liking these pages, these fan pages, and becoming a member to these groups. Okay, once you start to do that, you can start to build rapport. You can start to build an audience with connecting with people that are a part of these groups and these fan pages. So as you are becoming familiarized with the people, you can start to ask questions. Okay, what has worked for you? What have you tried? Now I'm still talking about how to lose weight in 7 days for an upcoming wedding. Okay, what you can start asking the people in the audience, what has worked for you? What hasn't worked for you? So then you can start basically gauging what type of information that you need to create that those people want. Okay, everybody has a pain point. Now a pain point is something that you have a need to know. Okay, so I want to lose weight in 7 days for an upcoming wedding. That's my pain point. You need to figure out that person's pain point as to what have they tried and failed on. Okay, what have they tried and failed on, and how can you help them? Okay, so this can be, you can start writing articles, you can also create a blog, you can make YouTube videos helping these people with their problem. Okay, basically do some information, or do some research, and start creating information that these people are going to want to know. As soon as you figure out what they want to know, and as soon as you start to generate content and start to create content helping these people with their pain point, you can then include, if you would like more information, go ahead and use my affiliate link for this product XYZ that has helped people like yourself lose weight in 7 days. Now guys, it's a very broad example, but I'm just trying to give you an example. Okay, as an affiliate marketer, find a product that you want to sell. Okay, then target your audience. Who is it that you're trying to sell to? Okay, once you figure out your product, once you figure out who you're trying to sell for, you need to figure out their pain point. You need to figure out what it is that they want to know that you can give them. Okay, as soon as you figure that out, you can then direct them to your affiliate link. So provide them information, provide them content, help them with their problems, start to build a rapport. Basically how affiliate marketing works is, you want to be an expert in that field. You want to verse yourself, and you want to know everything that there is on how to lose weight in 7 days. Now obviously losing weight in 7 days, it's a very general and broad example. It's not the healthiest way to lose weight. The most weight that you're going to lose in 7 days is going to be a lot of water weight. We all know that, but if someone's just looking to trim down for a wedding in 7 days, there's ways you can lose 5, 6, 7, 8 pounds trimming down water weight. In a healthy way that's not going to allow them to, get sick or whatever. But this is information that you guys need to search for whatever topic it is, and this works for any industry. Someone looking to improve their baseball swing, someone looking to improve their jump shot, someone looking to get a better golf swing, or learn how to do this or learn how to do that. Whatever industry, whatever niche that you want to get, that you need to get into, you need to do your research and find out how to help these people. So as soon as you help these people, you have built a rapport with them. You have become friends with these people. As soon as you become friends with them, they then trust you because you are helping them, and it's a lot easier to sell them a product. Okay, that's the very basic way that you can get started with your home-based business, with your affiliate marketing business. Okay, I'm going to be creating a lot more videos for you guys just like this, a lot more in-depth videos on how to do things, but I just want to get you guys started so I can then add on to this video. So if you are really interested in learning how to make money online and set up your business, one, find an affiliate marketplace. I would recommend ClickBank. ClickBank.com. It's got hundreds and hundreds of products in a ton of different niches and topics that you can sell from. make an account at ClickBank. As soon as you're done there, set up your social media profiles, whether that be Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. I would pick one, start with one, so you can build off of that. As soon as you have one, you can then add another, and then another. That's the way that it works, guys. Compound it, okay? Go to ClickBank, create an account. Find a product that you would like to sell. Create your social media account. Start building a following on that social media account. Then start helping people, okay, by answering questions, by providing information, by making friends, by interacting and engaging with those people. Once you do that, I will make another video and show you what we're going to do after that to start getting our affiliate link where we can earn commissions. I will start to show you what you can do and where you can place that link. Until next time, stay tuned and hustle until they hate, okay? Everybody can make money. In 2019, it is so easy to make money online, a lot more easier than it was in 2008 when I got started. Just stay with me. I'm going to be providing you a ton of more content that you can use and get started with. Until next time, take care, guys.